Today's our fifth part of height and distance. So the 14th question is two pillars of equal height and on either side of a road which is 100-meter wide. The angles of elevation of the pillars are 60 degree and 30 degree at a point on the road between the pillars. Find the position of the point between the pillars and the height of the each pillar. So let AB and CD are the pillars of height h meter, right? So the height of the pillars is h meter, and a point on the road P where the elevations of the top of the pillars are 30 degree and 60 degree. So these are the tops B and D. So from here, this point, from here, the elevations of the tops are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So statement will be let AB and CD are two pillars of equal heights. Now, in the elevations of the tops of the pillars at P are 60 degree and respectively. Write yourself. Now in right angle triangle PAB, here tan 60 equal to h upon x. Here AP is x. So value of tan 60 is root 3. So this is h upon x, right? So value of x will be h upon root 3. This is our first equation. And now in right angle triangle PCD, here tan 30 equal to h upon 100 minus x. Value of tan 30 1 upon root 3 equal to h upon 100 minus x, right? When you multiply cross, then you will get 100 minus x equal to under root 3h, right? This is our second equation. Now put the value of this x from equation first in second, then we will get 100 minus value of x is h upon root 3. So this is root 3h. So transfer h upon root 3 towards root 3h, then you will get 100 equal to under root 3h plus h upon root 3. So this is 100 equal to, this will become 3h plus h upon root 3, right? So this will become 100 root 3 equal to 4h. So value of h will become 25 root 3. This is 25 root 3. So value of x will be, now x is h upon root 3. So here h is 25 root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 cancel. So x equal to 25. Right? So this is 25. So height of the pillar is how much? 25 root 3 meter. So this is your required answer. Now our next question is, as observed from the top of a lighthouse 100 meter above the sea level. So this is 100 meter the sea level. The angle of depressions of a ship sailing directly towards it changes from 30° to 45°. Determine the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation. Means our aim is to find x. Means the elevation changes 30 to 45 towards the observer. So let CD is a lighthouse, is a lighthouse of height 100 meter, and the depressions are at A and B respectively 30° and 45°. Right? Now in right angle triangle ACD, ACD, here tan 30° equal to 100 upon x plus, suppose BC is y, so this is x plus y. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, so this will become 100 upon x plus y. When you cross multiply, then you will get x plus y equal to 100 root 3. This is equation first. Now in right angle triangle BCD, BCD, here tan 45° equal to 100 upon y. Right? So value of tan 45, you know very well, 1. So this is 100 upon y. So y equal to 100. Right? Now put the value of y in equation first from second. Then you will get x plus 100 equal to 100 root 3. Then you will get x equal to 100 root 3 minus 100. So x equal to 100 bracket root 3 minus 1. So this is 100 into value of root 3 is 1.732 minus 1. So this is 100 into 0.732. So this will become 73.2 meter, right? So this distance is 73.2 meter. Clear? Now our next question is the angle of elevation of the top Q of a vertical tower PQ from a point X on the ground is 60 degree. At a point Y 40 meter vertically above X. Here the elevation of the tower will become 45 degree, right? This elevation here, the elevation is 60 degree, right? And here 45. Then find the height of the tower PQ and distance QX. This distance QX, right? So our statement will be, let PQ is a tower and the elevation at X and Y, the top of the tower are 45 and 60 degree respectively. So the statement write yourself. And now in right angle triangle YRQ, YRQ, right? So here tan 45 degree equal to, this is X upon YR, right? So tan 45 is 1. So this is X upon YR. This distance YR, you can take D. So this D, this will be also D. So this is X 1 equal to X upon D. So D equal to X, right? This is our first equation. Now in right angle triangle XPQ, XPQ, here tan 60 equal to X plus 40 upon D, right? Value of tan 60, root 3. So this is X plus 40 upon D, right? So value of D is X. Value of D is X. So put the value of D, this D, in this equation, then you will get root 3 equal to X plus 40 upon X. Now cross multiply, then you will get root 3 X equal to X plus how much? 40. So transfer X towards root 3x, then you will get root 3x minus x equal to how much? 40. Then take x at a common and then you get root 3 minus 1 inside the bracket equal to 40. Then x equal to, this will become 40 upon root 3 minus 1. So multiply by the conjugate of root 3 minus 1, then you will get 40 bracket root 3 plus 1, and this will become root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So x equal to 40 bracket root 3 plus 1 upon 2. So this is 20 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. So value of x is 20 bracket root 3 plus 1. Now one more part is, what is the length of QX, right? So how to find QX? So for QX, so for QX in right angle triangle XPQ, xpq. So here sine 60 equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means pq upon qx. So value of sine 60, you know, under root 3 upon 2 equal to pq will be x plus 40, and value of x is how much? 20 plus, so this is pq is x plus 40 upon qx. So this is root 3 upon 2 equal to value of x is 20 bracket root 3 plus 1 plus 40, right, upon qx. So value of qx will be, this is 40 root 3 cross multiply 40 root 3 plus 40 and plus 40 into 2, right? So this is 80 and 40, so it will become how much? 120, and this root 3 goes under this, so you will get 120 plus 40 root 3 upon root 3, right? So this will become, take 40 common, and here 3 plus root 3, right, upon root 3. Now this is 40, take root 3 common, so it will become root 3 plus 1 into root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 root 3 cancel, so this is 40 bracket root 3 plus 1 meter. So qx is 40 bracket root 3 plus 1, or 40 bracket value of root 3 is 1.732 plus 1. So this will become 40 into 2.732. So this is approx 109.3 meter. That's your required answer. Thank you, students.